Here's 4 ways I wear my long curls. I live in LA, so I'm always wearing a hat. I'm taking freshly conditioned hair, adding a few drops of hair oil like this one from Prose, running it through my ends, and I'm good to go. Second, I'm here to tell you that with the right products, you can absolutely wear your hair down. Here I'm doing a side part. With long hair, you need a product that can hold your hair in place. That's why I use Prose's styling gel. My favorite is a middle part though, and let me tell you that Prose's curl cream is an absolute game changer if you have long curly hair like mine. I've never seen this much sheen or definition in my life. Lately, I've also been really into top clips. They add an extra layer of volume, they hold your hair in place without pulling tightly, and I think they just look really good. Lastly, here's my take on a bun. I do a top knot, especially when my hair is a bit chaotic like it is here, and I just throw some styling cream at the end to keep them a bit more defined. These are my 4 go-tos, and let me know which one's your favorite.